Hi, this is Rick with PMZ Real Estate, the Cardozo Group. Hey, I wanted to give you an opportunity to have a look at the new listing I just took in the heart of Dutch Hollow at 2408 Van Pelt Place. Come on in. This beautiful property has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with updated laminate flooring. The square footage is just over 2,000 square feet. This beautiful bright white kitchen has brand new cabinetry, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Again, this is Rick with PMZ Real Estate. If you'd like to have a private tour of this home, please reach out to me at 209-614-8995.